Are you looking for the best drones for beginners and kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for beginners and kids. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 3. DJI Neo. The Neo is DJI's smallest and lightest drone and among the easiest to use from any brand. It isn't much bigger than a soda can and weighs just 4.8 ounces, 135 g, so you don't have to deal with FAA registration. Built-in propeller guards protect your hands for palm launches and landings and prevent crashes caused by minor bumps and collisions. It includes a nose-mounted 4K video camera that mixes gimbal and digital stabilization to deliver smooth, colorful footage. Selfie fans will like the Neo's ease of use in automated flight modes: pull back and reveal, orbit around a subject, or track and follow a subject as it moves. If you prefer manual flight, you can control it with a smartphone app or pick up a proper remote, sold separately for $129, with analog control sticks for a more rewarding tactile experience and longer range. Even without a remote in the box, the Neo has some nice features for beginners. These include a strong battery that's good for about 18 minutes of flight time per charge, plus the ease of USB-C charging for top-offs between flights. You won't have to worry about a memory card either. The Neo is 22 GB of storage built in, good enough for 40 minutes of record time. The Neo is a good pick for recording landscape videos and selfies for social media. Beginners will appreciate just how easy it is to use. The automated flight paths are accessible from the aircraft body or app, and there's no getting around how cool it is to watch the Neo take off and land in the palm of your hand. However, it doesn't give you as much room to grow as a creator as some other models, though, so you should step up to the Mini 3, $419 with remote, if you want a drone with longer flight times and a better camera with support for vertical recording. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 inches. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection. Integrated camera. Integrated with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K. Megapixels: 12 MP. Media format: internal. Remote. Smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed. 1080p. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo Nano. The Autel Robotics brand is a popular one among drone hobbyists and provides quality alternatives to the more popular DJI. The Evo Nano Plus is an ultralight 249G flyer, so it doesn't have to go through FAA registration, and it's not limited by DJI's strict fly-safe geofence. Battery life is solid, with flight times in the neighborhood of 28 minutes on a full charge. We like its 3-way obstacle detection, good-looking photos, and stabilized 4K 30 video. The drone offers some basic automated camera moves, as well as hyperlapse. Its raw picture format is a little tricky to edit, and the video looks a bit overprocessed, but that's of less concern to beginners. Drone pilots who want to sidestep DJI's fly-safe geofence system often turn to Autel for less restrictive flight. It's an especially handy drone to have if you fly near enough to controlled airspace to require authorization from air traffic control for flights. You'll still need to do this to fly legally, but with Autel you can just contact the control tower and skip going through DJI's authorization process, which can be easier to manage. Dimensions: 3.7 by 5.6 by 2.2 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection. Integrated camera. Integrated with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K. Megapixels: 50 MP. Media format: microSD-XC. Remote. Dedicated with app. Live video feed. Yes. Number 1. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is the best drone you can get for under $500. The 249G takeoff weight is beginner-friendly, and we like that the drone records great-looking 4K 30 video with ample dynamic range and good-looking digital zoom, also available for photos. The camera is excellent, especially given the Mini 3's price. It rolls 4K 30 video with an HDR profile and f/1.7 optics for good-looking sunrise and sunset footage, and the gimbal supports 60 degrees of upward tilt. It also supports dual aspect ratios, twisting vertically to record 9:16 video for phone screens and normal 16:9 for TVs and YouTube. Flight times are ample at 38 minutes with the standard battery. A 51-minute battery is available as an accessory, $95, but using it pushes the takeoff weight above 250 g. Keep that in mind if you're trying to skip dealing with FAA registration. There are a couple of different remote control options. For $419, you can get the drone with a remote that requires you to connect your smartphone, but DJI also offers it with its built-in screen RC remote for $549. If you're upgrading from a DJI Mini 2, you can use the DJI RC-in-1 remote you already own to control the Mini 3. DJI sells the drone without a controller for $339. Drone buyers who like the idea of the Mini 4 Pro but not its price should pick up the Mini 3 instead. The two are almost identical, but the Mini 3 has no obstacle avoidance system, so you'll need to take extra care when flying near buildings and trees. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 inches. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection. Integrated camera. Integrated with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K. Megapixels: 12 MP. Media format: microSD-XC. Remote: dedicated with app, dedicated with LCD. Live video feed: 1080p.